Hello viewers, welcome to Khalajan's kitchen. I'm Farkhanda and today I'm making jerk chicken. It is made with a mixture of spices. I like to brine the chicken as it makes it very juicy and flavorful. I have taken one whole chicken and cut it up into 6 pieces. To make the brine, I have here 7 cups of water, quarter cup of sugar, quarter cup of salt, a 3-inch piece of ginger which I peeled and crushed roughly, 1 tablespoon allspice, 4 cloves of garlic which I crushed roughly, half a Scotch bonnet pepper, 2 small pieces of cinnamon sticks, 1 star anise, and half a teaspoon of cloves. I am going to add the salt, sugar, ginger, garlic, allspice, cinnamon, cloves, star anise, and the Scotch bonnet pepper to the 7 cups of water and mix it well. I will add the brining solution to the chicken, mix it, cover it, and refrigerate it for at least 12 hours. You can even refrigerate it for up to 24 hours. I left the chicken in the brine for 18 hours and now I'm going to discard the solution, wash the chicken in cold water and pat it dry with paper towel. To marinate the chicken, I'm using the jerk sauce that I made earlier. You will find the link in the description box. I applied the sauce to the chicken beneath the skin and on top of the skin. I covered the chicken with the marinade completely and then massaged it a little bit. And now I'm going to cover it and leave it in the fridge for at least 20 hours. It has been 24 hours since I left the chicken in the fridge, and now this is how it looks. Instead of grilling, today I'm going to bake the chicken. I have put some oil in the baking dish, layered the chicken, and then poured some more oil on top. I have preheated the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I've covered the dish and now I will place it in the oven to bake. The chicken has been baking for about 45 minutes now, and now I will check the internal temperature. For chicken, it should be 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 75 degrees Celsius. Today I am serving this chicken with some beans and rice and some fresh salad. I hope you liked the recipe. If you did, please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell button so you'll get notifications for our upcoming recipes. Enjoy!